been around the Fiend and you've lived to tell the tale. What's it like being in his presence?
It's scary and terrifying and also compelling.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees
Lex,
me.
I know you're having fun now, but the Fiend, Bray Wyatt, he's just pure evil.
Don't be ridiculous. You know, I thought you'd be a little bit more supportive. You know, 'cause that's what friends do. They support each other. So much for friendship, right, Nikki?
What are you gonna do? Get the Fiend!
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
Have you ever been around him? It's terrifying and captivating all at the same time. It feels like pins and needles. And when he looks into your eyes, it's like he's looking right through you. You can't look away. But you have no idea what that's like, do you?
So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me. You've always loved the
Would you think that at TLC I burned the Fiend and he went to hell and that's what you want? You know what? Fine. Fine. You want to see the Fiend?
my wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
At WrestleMania, the legend killer dies.
You've always loved the strange birds. I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
Lily, what did you make
Wounded wings still beating.
do?
You've always loved the stranger inside.